Sun is the most important need for lemon tree. The plant gets lots of energy from sun and uses it to produce good growth and plenty of fruits. So plant your lemon tree where you get at least 6 hours of full sunlight. Along with sunlight, lemon tree also requires a warm weather. If you live in a cool climate, then plant the tree in the warmest spot against a sunny wall or a sunny metal fence which gets heated and provide heat during cool winter so that it can grow well. Lemon trees have extensive fibrous feeder roots just below the surface. Add a thick layer of mulch up to the drip line of the tree to keep proper moisture in the roots and protect them from harsh sun or cold weather. Use lucerne, peat straw, sugarcane mulch, dry leaves, twigs, dried lawn clippings, etc. Mulch will also break down gradually, adding extra nutrients to the soil. Correct watering time is important to get lot of fruits. Water when the tree starts to flower and then the flowers start to produce fruit. The soil should not dry out when the fruits are forming. As a rule of thumb, water to a depth of 3 inch from trunk to the drip line, about 300 liters of water per week to form good sized fruits. Premature leaf drop and yellowing of leaves indicate overwatering. Fertilize in late winter, late spring and late summer with the fertilizer especially made for citrus trees which has high nitrogen and trace elements like zinc, calcium, sulfur, etc. Feed 1 foot away from the trunk and spread evenly up to the drip line. If growing in a pot, apply fertilizer along the rim of the pot. Fertilizing closer to the trunk may kill the tree. Water well after fertilization. You can apply natural manures such as cow manure, chicken manure or even horse manure. After flowering, feed a liquid fertilizer mixed with seaweed solution in soil every 2 weeks and also spray on leaves and flowers until fruits are ready to harvest. Insects and diseases. If you have correctly taken care of the above 4 things, then the tree will be strong enough to fight most pests and diseases. But still, your tree may be attacked by citrus leaf miners and citrus bronze bugs. Leaf miners will cause the problem of leaf curling and dropping. Cut and destroy all the infected leaves and branches. Then spray a mixture of pest oil and neem oil on both sides of the leaves. Repeat every 2 weeks. This spray will also kill citrus bronze bugs. How to get bigger size fruits. Remove excessive fruits when they are of pea size. Keep 3-4 fruits in each cluster. Keep regular watering while fruits are growing.